In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calibrate Google Maps on Android. If your map arrow points the wrong way, walking directions feel off, or the blue cone showing your direction is very wide, your phone's compass likely needs a quick tune-up. Calibration takes less than a minute and helps Google Maps understand which way you're facing so navigation is quicker and more accurate. It also helps the app snap your location to the correct side of the street and reduces those small rerouting delays. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your Android phone. Give it a moment to find you. You should see a blue dot marking your current location in the center or nearby on the screen. If it's not visible right away, wait a few seconds for GPS to settle, then center the map so the blue dot is in view. Next, tap that blue dot. A small panel will slide up from the bottom with details about your location. In that panel, look for the option labeled Calibrate. Go ahead and tap Calibrate to begin the compass calibration process. You'll see on-screen instructions prompting you to move your phone. Now hold your phone in front of you and gently move and tilt it in a smooth figure 8 motion. Think of drawing a sideways 8 in the air while rotating your wrist so the phone tilts through different angles. Keep the motion relaxed and continuous. No need to rush. You don't need to press anything while moving. Just keep the phone gliding smoothly so the sensors can gather a full range of readings. Do the figure 8 a few times until the compass accuracy status updates. You may see it progress from low to medium to high. Aim for high for the best results. A few tips while you move. Stand away from large metal objects, magnets, or electronics that can interfere with the compass. Step away from your car, elevator doors, or heavy gym equipment. If you use a magnetic case or mount, remove the phone from it just for this calibration. Smooth, controlled movements are better than fast, choppy ones. If you've recently traveled by plane or train, or moved between cities, a fresh calibration can be especially helpful. When calibration is successful, you'll notice the blue cone around your location narrows and the map arrow aligns with the direction you're actually facing. If the status doesn't reach high on the first try, repeat the figure 8 motion a couple more times until it does. That's all there is to it. Open Google Maps, tap the blue dot, choose Calibrate, and perform a gentle figure 8 until the accuracy improves. Enjoy a more precise Google Maps experience on your Android device.